For 2 decades, this legend has slept beneath the waves, a silent testament to a forgotten. Our mission began with a faint signal, a whisper from the deep. Sonar technology piercing the ocean's veil, searching for the impossible. Presently, with every meter of descent, the weight of history grew heavier. And then, there it was, the
challenge. The challenge. To reclaim a vehicle that has become one with the ocean floor. Every attachment point critical.
Above, a titan of the skies prepares for its monumental task. A symphony of power.
The first tremor, the first shift. The moment the ocean finally begins to relinquish its hold.
A gasp for air after 2 decades of silence. The Yukon emerges, a ghost returning from the deep, bathed in the...
A slow, deliberate journey over land and sea. Each moment bringing our relic closer to its destined workshop. The final approach, to a sanctuary of skilled hands and cutting-edge technology, where history is not just restored, but reborn.
The first battle begins. We have to strip away 20 years of salt and sludge before we can even see what's left of the body.
It's a surgical process. We're stripping it down to its bare soul, removing every trace of corrosion. The interior is a total loss. Everything the ocean touched must be removed to prevent the rot from spreading further.
Now, for the heart. This V8 has been drowned for decades. Many say it's impossible to hear this engine roar again. Chemical baths and hours of manual labor. We are fighting for every millimeter of original metal. A strong heart needs a strong skeleton. We are reinforcing the frame to ensure this Denali can handle the road once more. Every bolt tells a story. Every gear must be perfect. There is no room for error in a reconstruction this massive. The brain of the vehicle was fried by salt water. We are rewiring the entire system from scratch.
With the metal protected, the transformation begins to take a visual shape. The ghost is starting to look like a machine again.
The heart is rebuilt. The question remains, will it beat again?
The canvas is complete. Layer by layer, the vibrant, luxurious finish is restored, erasing every trace of its past ordeal.
From the depths of the ocean to the height of luxury, the cabin is transformed into a sanctuary of comfort and elegance. Bringing the brain back online, every circuit, every sensor, meticulously integrated to awaken its dormant intelligence. New shoes for a new journey. The ride will be smooth, powerful, and ready for any terrain. The moment of truth. Years of work, months of dedication, all for this one sound. The heartbeat returns. A mechanical symphony. Every component working in perfect harmony, a testament to what meticulous restoration can achieve.
Emerging from its cocoon. Not just a car, but a symbol of resilience, rolling out into the world once more.
Don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable restorations. See you in the next mission.